What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So as you can see on your screen that I'm on to google.com. So in today's video I will show you how to stop your search directly going on to ChatGPT. So when I type something and I click on search, I noticed many times it goes directly to ChatGPT instead of giving me a search result. So let's say if I type something, um, mechanic shop, right? Mechanic near me. Okay, it shows me mechanic shops right now, but lot of time when you type something, it goes on to ChatGPT, right? Let's try it again. So did you notice this? As soon as I type mechanic shop Bacchus Marsh, it went on to ChatGPT. Let's do it once again. If I type let's shopping malls, and I click on search, did you see this? It went on to ChatGPT. So how to stop your search, what you want to search, directly go on to ChatGPT? What you need to do is you go on to your settings. So I'll go on to settings, and then in settings you go down all the way and you click on apps. So by the way, I'm doing this search on Safari. So on Safari, I'm typing google.com and it goes to ChatGPT. So if you are searching, if you are typing google.com on Safari and it's going to ChatGPT directly, and you want to stop that, you need to go on settings first and then you go on to Safari. So where is Safari? You can type here and search Safari and it will come up here. So you don't need to keep going up and down, look for that app. You just type the name of the Safari in search option, it will come up here. So you click on Safari and now you are on to Safari setting. So you go down the page a little bit and then you look for extension. Okay. Okay, first thing you can do is click on search engine and select Google, which is already been selected. Now you go on to extension. Where is extension? Here it is. So under general title, there is an extension here. So it's in Safari settings. So you click on extensions and here the ChatGPT search is on. So you click on that and then here you disabled allow extension. So you disable it and then after that the ChatGPT search extension is off. Now try searching on Google. So I type Google here. Why it's not going? Okay, let's type Google here. Let's type Google here. So now I'm on to google.com and I'll type shopping mall. And then I'll click search. Did you see this, guys? It didn't go on to ChatGPT. It directly gave you a search result on google.com. Let's try another one. Mechanic shop. Mechanic shop near Beckesmarsh. Did you see this? It gave you the search result on google.com instead of going on to ChatGPT. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos. And I will see you in my next video. Until then.